today's recipe is oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. These are super easy to make and they taste so delicious. They are loaded with oats and chocolate chips. So let me show you how to make it. You're gonna need 1 cup of flour, 1.5 cups of rolled oats, half cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of white sugar, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla, half cup of unsalted butter that's softened, 1 egg that's room temperature, and 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. Start by mixing the dry ingredients together. So in a mixing bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon, and give this a quick whisk. Now add in the rolled oats and whisk till everything is combined, and set this aside. Meanwhile, in a bowl of a stand mixer, add in the butter, brown sugar, and the white sugar, and beat this on medium speed till creamy. Now add in the vanilla and continue beating till the vanilla is mixed in, and scrape down the bowl as needed. Add in the egg and beat till light in color for about 2 minutes. Now it's time to add in the flour mixer. So turn the speed to low and add in half of the flour mixture and beat till everything is just combined. Then add in the rest of the flour mixture and beat till just combined, and make sure to not overmix. Overmixing will make the cookies hard. Once the dough comes together, make sure to scrape down the bowl and get all of the dough from the paddle attachment. Now add in the chocolate chips and fold it in. Transfer the cookie dough into a bowl. Cover and chill the dough for at least 30 minutes to 35 minutes. Chilling will help the cookies to be thicker and chewier. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease and line a baking dish with parchment paper. Scoop about 2 tablespoons of the chilled dough and place them evenly on the baking sheet. Take a spoon and lightly flatten the top of the dough. This will help the cookies to spread. Bake the cookies for 11 to 13 minutes. Let the cookies sit in the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before taking them. These cookies turn out perfect every time and they are super delicious. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!